Hello, we have given informations a square root plus b equal to 11, a minus b square root equal to 1, and a and b is positive integers. Find the value of a plus b. Can you figure out? Pause the video and give yourself a try while you are ready. Keep watching the video to see the result. In these given informations, there are 4 elements: a square root, b square root in the equations. I'm going to find the connection among them. I find a is the square of a square root, b is the square of b square root. Therefore, substitute b by b square root squared and a by a square root squared. We get these 2 new equations. A square root plus b square root squares equal to 11. I call it the equation 1. And a square root square minus b square root equal to 1. I call it the equation 2. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. It becomes a square root plus b square root squares minus a square root square plus b square root equal to 10. Adjust the sequence of the items. The equation as quantity a square root plus b square root minus quantity a square root squared minus b square root squares equal to 10. Because a square root squares minus b square root squared equal to quantity a square root plus b square root multiplied a square root minus b square root. Simplify the equation become quantity a square root plus b square root multiplied 1 minus a square root plus b square root equal to 10. Quantity a square root plus b square root could be 1, 2, 5, 10. And the quantity 1 minus a square root plus b square root could be 10, 5, 2, 1. While we sum up these 2 quantities, it could be 11, 7, 7, and 11. Then 2 multiply b square root plus 1 equal to 11 or 7. B square root equal to 5 or 3. B is 25 or B is 9. While B is 25 and a square root plus b equal to 11, then a square root equal to minus 14. Because a and b is positive integers, is false. And b equal to 9, we get a square root plus 9 equal to 11, a square root equal to 2, and a equal to 4. So a plus b equal to 13. That's the answer. Did you figure out? Thank you for you to watching the video. Bye-bye.